Crazy fire.
People, when me tell you say Jamaica full of talent, you must believe me. Believe me, you know. You know me there? Santa Cruz. And me find a lady in town here. You know what she make? Bag and all this, the whole heap of craft. You know what she make it out of? Plastic bag. See bag there? Show them where you see this here? Nice good design. What's a bag here? Plastic bag, you know. Scandal bag. See it? You see the hat? See hat here? See hat? Put it on me here. How me look? How me look? Scandal bag. See them there? Look how this nice. You see it? So I make it there? Scandal bag. See the lady now. Talk to the people them. Tell them how you make.
My name is Kachita Makala and I make from a pin to an anchor. Anything you come with, I can make it out of nothing.
Where you use? Scandal bag?
Scandal bag, anything at all I find, I work with it.
Yeah. What the number where the people them can find, you know? Give them your number.
319-8544.
Come again, number.
319-8544.
Wanna call her, you know, see there? Scandal bag. Kachita!
Yeah.
Woyoy! See me chiquitita. Oh, me chiquitita, wanna call Kachita. Me if you telling about it, yeah? Bad, Mother Road. Mother Road. Scandal bag.
Your free bag, you can buy bag over here, video it. Recycle, we say, recycle. Recycle. If you don't get your free bag, you can buy your bag over here. Bags, bags, bags.